If you own an e-bike, a scooter, or a nice motorcycle, you know the constant anxiety of leaving it parked. This tiny NineLeaf alarm claims to be the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it security solution, but we need to find out if it's just a loud noise or a genuine deterrent. The first thing that genuinely impressed me is the power source. We are finally ditching those annoying disposable batteries. This unit is fully rechargeable via USB-C, which is a massive win for convenience and sustainability. You charge it once, and you're set for long-lasting protection, meaning one less thing to worry about before your ride. Operationally, it couldn't be simpler. The included wireless remote is responsive and has a surprisingly wide range. Arming and disarming is instant, even if you're walking away from your bike across a busy parking lot. That convenience factor alone makes it feel like a premium product. Speaking of durability, NineLeaf claims an IP69 waterproof rating, which is frankly overkill. But even if we stick to the guaranteed IP65 standard, this alarm is absolutely ready for rain, snow, and harsh weather. You can leave your bike locked up outside year-round and trust that the electronics inside are protected. But the real game-changer here is the customization. Forget those cheap alarms that go off if a fly lands on them. This system offers a massive range of sensitivity, up to 11 adjustable levels. This means you can perfectly tailor the response. Parking in a quiet garage. Set it to maximum sensitivity. Parking on a busy city street, where people might bump into it. Set it lower so it only reacts to a strong impact, preventing those annoying false alarms. That level of control is essential for real-world use. Installation is also a breeze. It comes with an adjustable bracket, and you can mount it quickly and tool-free on virtually any frame tube. It's versatile enough for bicycles, scooters, trailers, or even your garage door. Overall, the NineLeaf bike alarm delivers on its promises. It combines the modern convenience of USB-C charging with robust, weatherproof construction, and most importantly, highly customizable security settings. For the price and the sheer peace of mind it offers, this is a highly recommended security layer that every serious rider should consider adding to their gear.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.